You guys raised $7,875. $10,640.
$12,900.
Dang.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Auntie Tay. If you guys are new here, that's who I am. If you're not, welcome back. I've missed you. You are watching 12 DIYs of Giveaways, which is my annual fundraiser for Christ Hope International. We have been able to raise over $30,000 for them, and I am so excited to see what we can add to that number this year. For the next 12 days, we're gonna be doing gift ideas. Blog post down in the description for each category. So check that out. And with that, let's get going on some gift ideas for your loved one. Okay, let's talk about gift ideas for new drivers. I know this is like a weird topic to do, but so Landis is turning 16 and her birthday is right around Christmas, but then she's also getting her license right around Christmas, and then it's also Christmas. So I was like, let's just do a new driver video because your new driver might be a new driver all year long, so this video needs to be out there. And let me just tell you, I am in a season of life that is terrifying, and I had no idea how terrifying it was. You know, you're in a season of life when people come to you and they're like, how are you doing? So I put together an Amazon wish list with all of these things. Jumper box. This is so cool. Dustin got me this box and it has been so useful. Not only does it have a charger on it, but like that's the first thing that matters. But if your phone dies and like your car is dead and the car battery is dead, you need a charger to charge your phone. But it has the jumper on it, so you don't have to awkwardly ask anybody to help you jump your car, which I do suggest teaching your new driver like the proper way to ask people and the safe places to ask people, and like what to do if you get pulled over on the side of the road or if you're in traffic or all those things. So many things to think about. The jumper box will help because you won't have to talk to anybody. You can jump your own car. But I do actually suggest finding a safe person that could help you. That way they can look out for just like cars, or if you just things like that. But the jumper box, super cool. The utility tote, I've been talking about this in quite a few of the gift idea videos, but a utility tote just to help them try to stay organized. I know when I was a teenager, I literally lived out of my car and it was disgusting. And I remember just like picking up 4 of my friends, and the 4th person got in and his knees were like up to his chest, and he was like, of course Tania's car looks like this. And I was like, just get in, we're going out, we're having fun. First aid kit, just super important to have for all reasons, with like a tourniquet in it. It's so sad to like think about all this stuff, but it's like, Dustin is a paramedic. He's a certified paramedic. And so we think about this type of stuff often, and he often shares stories with us about kids or even adults who got in car accidents and just could have done something or didn't know that they needed this type of stuff. So having a tourniquet in your car is kind of important, sadly, but say a first aid kit that has things like a tourniquet. Next thing is the dechoker. I know I drove around kids a lot when I was little. When I was a teenager, I babysat a lot, and I would drive my nieces and nephews everywhere. And luckily, we never ran into any choking issues, but even if I was choking or somebody was choking, having a dechoker in your car that could be used on yourself if you were stuck in traffic or whatever. This is hopefully we get some more fun things like the utility tote soon. A purse caddy. I like this idea. I don't have one. I want one. I want all of these things actually, but a purse caddy so that their purse doesn't fall over, their man purse doesn't fall over. A travel tote for the top of the car. So if they have some sort of sports utility rack and say they want to go on a little trip and take rafts or take scuba gear. I don't know. What do you need as a teenager? What do you travel with? Yeah, whatever you want to put on the top. Maybe they're going camping with a bunch of friends and they want to finally drive their car. Like I said, this is a terrifying season because just letting my kids go camping by themselves sounds scary. But anyways, a solar charger. These are just cool, just in case that box dies and your car dies and all things die. But a solar charger is just cool to have, period. So adding that to the stuff that you keep in your car, pretty cool. A beach tote, and then you could put cute beach things in it, like the beach sand basket and black blanket that like doesn't carry sand. Electric vacuum, like a little travel vacuum would be cool too. Like I just think about all the things that we did as teenagers. Like you're always just going places that are free. So like if you can get to a body of water, you try to go there. If you try to go to like a camping area, like camping is super fun. I don't know, like, but it's dirty, so keeping your car clean. An inflatable couch. These are cool, and they take up like this much space. So I thought these would be cool because you just go a lot of places, and like, say you were going to like somewhere and you didn't have a couch. You just need a couch, so you inflate one with the air. But a seat organizer. Maybe your teen is organized. Maybe my teens will be organized. I was not organized. Maybe a garbage can, again, could be used, could not be used. Gauge who you're getting stuff for, you know, like if you have that kid who like keeps their backpack clean, they're probably gonna keep their car clean. I was not that kid. AirPods, keychain, and letters. Oh, add the letters of their name to their AirPod keychain. So any keychain is super fun when they're becoming a new driver. The safe keychain, and this doesn't necessarily have to be all on their keys, but the safe keychain is something I really, really love, and I love that they have it on Amazon. If you're getting this for a girl, you could like bling up some of the elements, but these keychains are really cool. I will say they will get confiscated if you try to take them onto an airplane. So experience with that. Buy a couple sets because one might get confiscated, or you can just take the part off that looks like a weapon, and the rest are like a whistle and a beeper and mace and a puffball. Like who doesn't need a cute puffball when they want to be safe? All right, so if you're in this season of life, I'm praying for you, pray for me. Let's be friends. Let me know in the comments below if you have a teenager who's about to drive, or nieces and nephews, or who's driving in your life that you need to get gifts for. This is a weird topic. Like, it's not a weird topic, but it's like a weird gift idea for the holiday topic, but I thought it was necessary. So what other ideas do you have? Let me know in the comments below, because let's work together on this. We need to make this a fun time for us, for the kids, and all the things. We are raising money for Christ Hope International right now. There are 12 days of giveaway gift ideas and things, and I have 12 amazing sponsors this year giving really amazing prizes away. So raffle tickets, link to the raffle tickets are below. Giving Tuesday, I'll be hanging out with you for a live craftathon for 5 hours, and we'll be making holiday fun stuff, but we'll also be announcing all of the winners of this, and I can't wait to see you guys there. So check it out. If that's gone and passed, I'll see you guys next year for the next giveaway series next year when I do my live. But also I'll be live crafting all the holiday season, so if you're joining and it's still the holiday season, we'll be crafting up a storm this year, just like cute holiday stuff and all the things. I'm turning all my holiday decor white, and I might be doing it live with you guys. And we have a cabin to decorate now too, so I'll be sharing lots of decor we'll be making for the cabin. Just gonna be a good holiday season on the internet, I think. I feel like. Okay, love you guys, bye!